Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Global Firepower Index 2025. India has secured 4th place in the Global Firepower Index 2025, showcasing its enhanced military capabilities across all branches, Army, Navy and Air Force. This advancement highlights India's growing military strength and its increasing self-reliance in defense production, positioning it as one of the world's most powerful military forces. Pakistan's ranking dropped from 9th in 2024 to 12th in the latest GFP index. India is now recognized as a key military player alongside the United States, Russia and China. Before we proceed, we have an important announcement for you. Drishti IAS is pleased to announce a new badge for the IAS JS Foundation Prelims Plus Mains course at its Noida branch. The English medium batch will commence on 17th February. The Hindi medium batch will begin on 21st February. For more details, call us at 87501 87501. India's military power. India's military strength is evaluated across over 60 parameters, including defense technology, financial resources, logistics, and strategic positioning. The Army, with 1.45 million active personnel and over 25 lakh in paramilitary forces, is equipped with modern weapons like the T-90 Bhishma and Arjun tanks and BrahMos missiles. The Air Force operates 2,229 aircraft, including advanced fighter jets like Rafale and Su-30 MKI and missile systems like Rudram, Astra and BrahMos. The Navy has 1,42,251 personnel and a fleet of 150 warships and submarines, with strategic assets such as INS Vikramaditya, INS Vikrant and nuclear submarines. Global military rankings. The United States remains the most powerful military force, followed by Russia and China, with India ranking 4th. The top 10 in the GFP index include South Korea, the United Kingdom, France, Japan, Turkey and Italy, indicating a balance of military power across diverse regions. The increasing investment in defense technology, personnel and strategic infrastructure has helped India climb the ranks in the GFP index. Now it's time for the practice question. Which country remains the most powerful military in the world according to the GFP Index 2025? Russia, China, United States or India? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.